Hey guys, welcome back to XX12 Hunter. Today I just got something in the mail. I think it's pretty cool. I ordered this puppet a while back, and I think it was from the Disney collection, folkmanis, and I'm going to show you right now. I got the Donald Duck puppet. Okay, first of all, so he has these really cool features. He has movable bill, or beak, whatever you call it. And with his hands, there's slits, so you can stick 3 fingers in, depending on how big your fingers are, and control the fingers a little bit. Here, let me try. It's harder for me in this hand. Okay, but yeah, you can move the fingers. Yeah, you got a bunch of fluff on your hands. Yeah. And he got his little hat with his ribbon. His dark ribbon. Okay, no, you can't see me. I'm just kidding. Okay. And then you'd probably think you'd, put your hand up as, down here. No. See? No hole. It actually goes under his vest right there. He's got some nice feet, foot, and yeah, he's 2 feet tall. I am 4 feet tall. I'm gonna get on my knees. I'm 4 feet and a bit. He's higher than my shoulders. He's at my neck. He's big. So, if you want a small Donald Duck puppet, the folkmanis one, don't get it. But if you want a big one, then I prefer you get the Donald Duck. Let me switch hands and I'll show you that you can move his hand. Watch. Okay, let me just get my fingers in there. Okay. Let's try to get my other hand up in his vest. Look, see that? Like movable fingers. It's actually really cool. And yeah, that's really all I got to show you guys, and more fluff. Oh my god. And yeah, I'll see you next time. And I would really like if you could like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.